Previously, we have talked about the t-test of independent means. Independent means. Because this is actually a hypothesis test for two independent samples, which is one of the things that we have if we're going to do a hypothesis test on two population parameters. However, there's another test wherein we're also measuring two population parameters, and this time we have two dependent samples. When we say dependent, as what we have explained before, if this is actually your sample, we have two data sets from it. Either it's a before and after, or from one time period to another time period, and we're going to compare if the means from this data set and this data set are actually the same, but that's just actually from one sample. And that's why they're called dependent samples, because they are just actually from one big sample. And the test for two dependent samples is what is known as the t-test of dependent means, also known as the t-test of dependent samples, but still it is under the student t distribution. So we're going to see how t-tests of dependent means or t-tests of dependent samples are done in Microsoft Excel.